some issues, I guess I should say, beyond the final status issues have arisen. One, I've already mentioned the separation wall and how much that is eaten into the West Bank territory. It may not look like a lot, but that added with all the other encroachments of Israeli settlements and other things, it does definitely eat into Palestinian land that already they feel like they're already sharing or have given up. Another thing that doesn't get talked about a lot is water. And this goes with a lot of issues like trash collection and things like that. Israelis, um, both in Israel, there's Israeli and Palestinian neighborhoods, and also in the West Bank where there are the Israeli settlements and the Palestinian neighborhoods. Um, Wherever there's Jewish neighborhoods, I'll be honest, they have fairly, strong water. And remember, this is a desert, right? So they have running water. They don't conserve water to the point where the Palestinians do. So when I was there, if I was in a Palestinian home or residence or organization, you were to not waste toilet paper, to not flush it for certain things. If you were taking a shower, you were to turn the water on and then turn it off while you were washing and things like that. A lot of Palestinians' homes had like big drums or like barrels on the top of them to collect rainwater in times of need. So this is the case. So water is a real issue, an issue of equity in the region, and same with garbage pickup and other kinds of maintenance, where Jewish neighborhoods get a lot more of attention than Palestinian neighborhoods. Um, Another issue is human rights issues, where Israelis tend to target Palestinians through extrajudicial killings. That means killing without cause, or maybe they say there's a reason, but there isn't, kind of compared to Black Lives Matter kind of situation. Palestinians arrested and held for years without trial and even tortured in jail. And finally, it's just kind of an ongoing situation is that just generally, Israel is annexing, meaning taking over Palestinian land, and Palestinians really have very little legal recourse um, to fight back. So, where does this leave us? It leaves us in a very difficult situation. It's a very emotional situation, and a very political situation. And I have a little bit more sympathy towards the Palestinians over the years, having learned their story, and feeling that there's a bit of bias in the news against Palestinians. But this is for you to decide. We're going to continue to explore this, but I do think I laid out the issues pretty fairly. If you have any questions or thoughts or concerns, I'd love for you to write it in the comments section. But this is to help clarify some issues for you as we continue down the road of learning about the Israeli and Palestinian conflict. Have a good day, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, um, lovely time watching Netflix or whatever it is you're watching. Bye, cool cats and kittens. This is Miss Pelletier and her farting dog Roxy saying good night for now.